I'm Matthew Lupo, and welcome to my wood shop. This is my series called Timber Time. We're going to have some short, quick videos. They're going to cover different techniques and tricks that I've learned here in my wood shop. Each video is going to specialize on a different tool that I have here in my shop, so we may spend some time going over different tricks on the table saw, maybe some projects we're doing on the CNC table, some techniques we'll be using with the router, both handheld and on the table, and some various other tools that we can come up with here in the shop. So we're going to have some more videos coming up, so come on down, join me here at Timber Time. Hi, this is Matthew Lupo with Lupo's Timberwolf Woodworking. I'm out here in the wood shop, and we're about to do a Timber Time. Alright, we're going to go over brad nails today. They're great to use, love them, quick, easy, hold the glue in place, give it time to settle. Great for that aspect, but when we're tearing wood apart to reuse, horrible to get out. A lot of times you hit them with the hammer, tend to bend in half, you end up having to tear them out, messes the wood up. Really not an easy way to do it like that. So what we're going to go over is a quick way to get them out for you. I like to take my needle nose pliers, put my safety glasses down for protection, get my needle nose right over the tip, pound them down that way. Quick and easy, every time. Now, when we flip it over, they're all sticking out. We can either grab a hold of them with our needle nose, pull them out that way, dispose them properly, or you can use your claw hammer, pull them out like that. So, that's quick Timber Time on how to get brad nails out of wood to reuse. Thanks for watching.